Today I want to talk about lens. What is it? Before entering into its definition, I want to show you these two lenses. Look at this. These are the lenses. We may have other lenses also, but how can we define a lens? Lens is not very big object. This is very small, maybe smaller than this also. Lens is a small portion we can see of something, usually of glass. Lens is a portion of glass and it is transparent. Look at this, what is behind it, it can be seen. It is transparent. Yeah, it is transparent. And it is a refracting medium. When light enters from this lens, it bends. Bending of light when it enters from one medium to another medium is called refraction, and it is a refracting medium. And actually it is bounded by two surfaces. Look at this. Here one surface, this is another surface, and it is bounded by two surfaces, isn't it? And this surface is not for refraction of light. That's why it is bounded by two surfaces. Here also, this surface is not refracting light. The light refracts from this side, or enters from this side and refracts from this side, or enters from this side and refracts from this side. This way, it is bounded by, we can say it is bounded by two surfaces. Okay, adding all these, I mean to say, considering all these points, what can we say about lens? Lens is a transparent refracting medium. Refracting medium bounded by two surfaces of which at least one is spherical. At last, what I told you, it is bounded by two surfaces, or both the surfaces may be spherical. Look at this, this is spherical, these two surfaces, this and this. These two surfaces are spherical surface. In the same way, here also, both the surfaces are spherical surface. Bounded by two surfaces, both may be spherical, or at least one of them must be spherical. If both of them are plane, then it won't be lens. It will be just a piece of glass. At least one of the surfaces is spherical. Okay, this is the definition of lens. Now it is of two types. Now I'm talking about types of lens. It is of two types. One is convex lens, and another is concave lens. There are two types of lens. One is convex lens, another is what? Concave lens. Now, a lens which is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edge is called convex lens. Look at this, convex lens. I'm talking about convex lens now. A lens which is thicker in the middle. Look at this, this lens is thicker in the middle. This middle side is thick, but the edges are thin. This is, all these edges are thin. The middle side is what? Thick. It is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edge. This is convex lens. But a convex lens may be of different types. Now I want to show you some convex lenses. Look at this, some convex lenses. This is a convex lens. Whenever we show a lens with the help of diagram, we'll show it from the edge. Just all the lenses are circular from its front side. It is somewhat circular, but it is always shown from its thickness, and that's why it is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edge. And when it is seen from this side and represented by figure, this figure will be like this. And maybe lens may be of this type also. Convex lens may be of this type also. Look at this. This one side is spherical, another side is plane. This is also convex lens because it is thick in the middle and thin at the edge. Or maybe a convex lens is of this type. Look at this. It is thinner at the edge and thicker in the middle. And all these are convex lens because they are thicker in the middle and thinner at the edge. But both the surfaces are convex. Do you know what is convex surface? If we have a surface like this, the surface which is bulged out, this is called, the bulged out surface is called convex. But the surface which is gone inside is called concave. And in this case, both the surfaces are convex. That's why it is called double convex lens. Or this is also called, both the sides are convex, that's why biconvex lens. Or this is also called biconvex lens. This is also convex lens because the middle side is thick, but one of the side is plane. That's why it is called plano-convex lens. And this also convex lens because the middle side, central part is thick and edges are thin. That's why it is also convex lens. But one of the surface, this surface is concave. This one of the surface is plane. That's why plano-convex. One of the surface is concave, like this, gone inside. That's why concavo-convex lens. Okay, these are different types of convex lens. Now I want to talk about concave lens also. Let's talk about concave lens also. This concave lens just opposite of the previous. A lens which is thinner in the middle. This is the lens which is thinner in the middle, but it is thicker at the edge. These edges are thick. These edges are thick. This thinner in the middle and thicker at the edge. This is called concave lens. And concave lens may be of different types. Look at this. Both the side like this. Both the side may be concave like this. Both the sides are concave. This is the example of the same. This is concave lens, and another also we have. Just for example, one may be concave, another may be plane like this. This is plano-concave, and another may be like this. This is one of the surface is convex, that's why convexo-concave. This is called double concave lens, or we can see biconcave lens. This is plano-concave. and this is convexo-concave lens. Okay, this was for today.